Today I'm going to take you through two of our latest features, which are both available on any website plan, but they're particularly useful for agencies who are managing a large number of websites. They're both admin features, and you'll find them in the left note over here. There's a status page and also a new trends page. The first page, Site Status, allows you to get an overview across all websites to see which sites are live and which have the SSL provisioned. So in this case, the majority of the websites are live with SSL, and there's a couple at the bottom still in development that are not yet live. The second page, Site Trends, allows you to really drill down into the detail of how your websites are performing across the months and years. So in this case, I've gone back to October of 2018, and in that particular month, all of the live websites had an increase in traffic here, and the two at the bottom had a decrease. So again, you can get a quick view across all your websites as to what the trends are. And in all of both these views, you can download the data as CSV, Excel, PDF, as well as print.